big chop day. Woo! So what's your plan? Is it going? Is it staying? It's all twisted.
Let me see that video first. And then I'll decide.
I'll show
I know
you.
that looks good. I know it looks good.
It does. That's all twisted up nice. And then when I just step back a bit, boy, it's just, it's a lot. It's a lot. It's just a lot. But you know, you have said it will grow back. You know.
I'm not cutting it off.
You're not fully cutting it off. You're just cutting some. That's it. So, we're recording. Are we recording?
Love my hair, don't get me wrong. I love my locks. I absolutely adore my locks. But 2 years thinking about it, I'm going to cut it.
She's gonna cut it.
Going to cut it. Right, I'm not going to cut them. Shy is going to cut it. And I regret it. Possibly, but you know what? It's in the hair. It will grow. It will grow back. When we now cut them off, just cut them short.
Set. I'll put a bobble in place for you.
You want me to do
It's your collar. Hold, sorry.
Should be done.
Stupid.
Wait, I need to go up my back and pull it down. I can't get up there. Pull it up.
Hold on.
This is a man's tracksuit.
Oh, that's why
It's a man's tracksuit.
bulky.
But yeah, it's
Of
warm.
course it is. It's what you need in this weather. Right. Right. So let's get this all scoot back.
Wait, do I need to
Come
scooch
forward.
forward?
Yeah, go on then. That's it. Yeah, we can kind of see. Yep. Right. We twist our down. So if you're going to want to go to just above there, just bottom needs to be there. Right, so that's where I'm putting your band. Have a look at that. Can you see it?
Yeah, I want to show it.
You want it? So what I'll do then,
So you cut above
Cut
that.
there.
Yeah.
and then I'll go
tidy it up.
over it
Yeah.
and then tidy it up. So I'll cut below the.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, well I could cut below.
Cut above it. Because then it will only be in the bubble then, won't it?
Yeah, true. Okay, dear. It's thick, so I'm gonna end up cutting it in little compartments. Okay.
Can you hear it?
It's going on.
Too late now.
Yeah, we're doing it. We're doing it. We're doing it.
Why do I feel emotional though?
I don't know. Feel the difference.
I can't even see in the mirror. My eyes are tearing.
Oh, there. Oh, ouch. It's fine. You look nice. Got it all in it. Oh. It's a renewal. That's all it is. You've been thinking about it for so long. I just had to just start it because I didn't really want to cut it, to be fair. And you know I didn't really have to be what you request. Oh, sugar dumpling. This is the very last. Oh, there's one long one. Oh my god. Look at that. There's still odd long ones, but we can go over it. It's a little bit, it's actually shorter than what you think, you know. It's a bit shorter, so it's going to have that.
Is it going to have that?
Yeah, exactly what you want.
Look.
It was nice, actually. I like it. Let's get it shaped. Let's get
Oh
it
my
shaped.
god, I've actually done it.
Cut it. But you know what? It looks really nice. It's not even neatened up yet. And by the way, she wanted to cut it even though it was crinkly. And I've already said, wait, maybe we should wait till it's straight, but she wanted to just do it. So when it's straight again, we'll just finish it off again and get it all nice and level. Wow, it looks so nice. I have to say, it just looks lovely. It's lovely, so we won't take it up any further because saying that when it's straight, it's gonna
When
be
it's straight, it's
longer.
gonna drop a little bit.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna drop longer. Let's get that shape for you in the back first of all. So Lisa, she's just cut hers the other day.
Has she?
She had it layered. How you feeling?
Alright.
Alright, love. See, in the past, you know, I've cut mine twice, but not as short as it.
Still putting the little curlers and having little wave thing, curly things in there. It still look good.
Looks amazing. It looks so good.
You know what they say when it comes to hair? Change.
That's what it's a renew.
Yeah.
Yes,
And I want you to say
okay, yeah, we can pause for it.
so keep finding.
I think so.
When I find them, I'll just
Sorry, I can't see with the towel on, funnily enough. It's just little pieces anyway. One time she
there's
gets,
somebody.
oh no, it's not. Come in, you alright? Are you alright, my Santana? Yes, take a seat, my darling. We'll be with you shortly. It's absolutely freezing. swing it to the side. Wait, let's have a look that side. How does that drop for you?
Yeah.
That looks nice, isn't it? I always say hi to the camera.
Oh, hi, camera.
It's nice. And that length at the front, that's how you wanted the concave looking. So let's see it to that side. Pat it up again.
I'll pat it up.
Yeah.
I will do.
Pat it up again. That looks good. The lens is still oily after all that. Chopped it off. That's a thick bunch of hair. There we go, now it's recording. That's so stupid. How are you feeling?
Alright, actually. Not tearful anymore.
Let's have a look at your bunch of locks that you've just literally chopped off. Wow. How thick is that? I swear you could sell that.
I could, but I'm not going to, just in case I wanted to reattach them. But I love it.
You want them reattaching.
Yeah, I love them. I do love it. I've been talking and umming and ahhing about it for a couple of years. Yeah, it was time. Today was the day. I'm so glad, and I love it.
It looks good. And tell them that this is what 50 and fabulous and
50,
renewed.
approaching 51.
All
this
right.
is what we look like.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, I love it.
51, you'd have never have thought it backside.
I should have done it last year for my 50th. But you know what? It's still in the decade. It's still within the year, so I'm good.
Yeah, man.
I love it. I love it. I absolutely love it.
I'm glad you like it. You chose it. It suits you. It looks amazing.
I'm going to miss this, but yo, it will grow. I know what the key is.
All right, thank you.